Little Songbird, give me a song. I'm a busy man, and I can't say it all. I've got clients to call, I've got orders to fill, I've got walls to build, I've got cries to quell, and they're giving me hell back in Hades. Hey, little songbird, check out your phone. Always a pity for one so pretty and young. When poverty comes, lift your wings and knock the wind right out of your lungs. And nobody sings on empty. Got nothing to lose, and I could use a canary.
Suddenly nothing is as it was. Where are you now? What's it gonna be? Worried people
Little songbird, let me guess, he's some kind of poet and he's penniless. Give him your hand, he'll give you his hand. Somehow, he'll write you a poem another hours out. Hey, why not lights out for the winter? Hey, little songbird, look around you, see how the vipers and vultures surround you, and they'll take you down, they'll pick you clean if you stick around. Such a desperate scene. See, people get mean when the chips are down.